Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very easy, very delicious and a very healthy recipe of tapioca pudding. That's called Sabudana Kheer or sagoo kheer. You can make this with very few ingredients and the taste is just awesome. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and healthy Sabudana Kheer. 2 cups of sagoo soaked in water for half an hour. This is also called tapioca in English. Few green cardamoms, few strands of saffron and some pure ghee, 1 cup of sugar, some raisins, 1 liter of full cream milk and some sliced almonds. Alright, I've heated a wok. I'm adding some ghee. This is around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Into the ghee I'll add the raisins. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. Add the almonds. Now fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I'm using almonds and raisins. You can use cashew nuts also. Alright, so our nuts are fried very nicely, as you can see. The raisins are puffed up. Alright, let's remove it on a plate. Right. So just keep this aside, and into the same wok I'll add the milk. Alright, now let the milk boil very nicely. Alright, the milk has started to boil. Okay, so now just reduce the flame. You don't need to thicken the milk because I'm using full fat milk. So now we'll add in the cardamom pods. And now go ahead and add the sabudanas. I'll tell you how to soak the sabudana. Well, wash it nicely and soak it in water till it's fully covered and leave it for at least 1 hour. This way it will get nicely, soaked and double in size. Okay, so take 1 cup of sabudana and soak it in at least half a liter of water and you'll get 2 cups of the sabudana. Okay, so now we'll just boil the milk and cook it till it becomes nice and thick. Go ahead and add the sugar. Add sugar according to your taste. Mix it very nicely. Keep stirring. Don't leave it alone or else the milk can spill out until it's become nice and thick. Now I'm going to add the saffron. If you want any one flavor like of elaichi or of saffron, you can add one, or if you want both, you can add both. So it's boiling. I'm going to put the flame on low and keep stirring. Alright, it's 20 minutes now. I've been cooking this on low flame, and then when it started to reduce, I put the flame on high. So as you can see, it's turned out so creamy, thick, and it looks so delicious. So what you have to do is just scrape all the sides again and again and put it into the kheer. Okay, so I'll just make sure it becomes more thick. Alright, going to cook on high flame for 5 minutes more. Alright, on this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the dry fruits, half of them, okay, and half I'm going to keep for the garnishing. Alright, it's perfectly thick. I'm going to switch off the flame and immediately serve this into my dessert bowls. You can serve this hot in winters and you can serve them chilled in the summers. Especially we make this kheer in the Ramadan for our iftar. Guys, you should give it a try. It is so delicious. Alright.
So I'm going to keep this into the refrigerator at least for 2 hours so that it sets and gets nice and chilled, and then you can serve it. Our tapioca pudding is all done and I've garnished this with the almonds and raisins, and I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.